Here I have VIVO V20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the shortcuts and accessibility section, then go to the accessibility, and then to the TalkBack. Here you can enable TalkBack, tap allow, and after that TalkBack tutorial starts, and it talks non-stop.
TalkBack is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. It allows TalkBack tutorial, back, button, navigation bar, TalkBack, double tap to activate.
So as you can hear, it talks non-stop, and if you want to disable it, you have to do it like this. You have to double tap anything you want to, if you want to perform an action, you have to double tap. So I will show you how it's done.
Alert, stop, TalkBack off.
And that's how you can shut this up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.